If he can feed 5,000, he can feed you too. If he can feed 5,000, he can feed you too. Yeah. Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now, we're doing a series on miracles, signs, and wonders performed by Jesus and the disciples, and throughout the books of Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, and the Acts of the Holy Spirit. Now, I did want to already say, those of you who have been following me from the beginning of the series, that's some of the stories. You're going to hear them, or should I say some of the accounts, because me no one will believe, say, a story. Jesus was a real person, and these are real things that really happened. Yeah. So some of these accounts were reported in more than one of the gospels, right? The gospels are Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. But there is one miracle that is reported in all four. And that one day, I'll read today. So if you want to build your faith, just follow me. And if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with at least one somebody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, I invite you now to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 6 from verse 30 to verse 44. Then Jesus' apostle them gather up round him and tell him about all of what them did do and what them did teach. Jesus and him apostle them couldn't even get time for nyam because of the whole heap of people who did come and go. So Jesus tell him apostle them say, come, make we go to one place where nobody not there, so we can get away from the crowd, get something for nyam, and rest little. Then they left in a one boat for go to one place where nobody not there. But enough people see them when them did a left and figure out where them did a go. So people from every town run go to the place where them did a go and reach there before them. When Jesus come out of the boat, him see the big crowd of people on the seaside, and he feels sorry for them. Cause then they come in like sheep when I have no shepherd to look after them. So him teach them no sitting. Late in the evening, his special follower them go to him and say to him, say, nobody no live out here so. And it well late already. Send with the people so they can go to the district and town them when near you so they can buy sitting for nyam. Jesus answered them say, who no give them sitting for nyam? So then say to him say, it would have take 8 months worth of pay to buy food for feed that crowd of people here. Where we get that kind of money there? Then Jesus asked them say, how much bread do you have? Go and go find out. So then find out and tell him say, we have 5 bread and 2 fish. Then Jesus ordered all the people to sit down on the green grass. So then sit down in a some group. Some group did have 100, some group have 50. Then Jesus take the 5 bread and 2 fish and look up in the sky, give thanks and broke up the bread them. Him give him follower them and them take it, give the people them. And he do the same thing with the fish them. Everybody yam till them belly full. And Jesus follower them pick up 12 basket full of fish and bread where the people them yam and left. And that day I did both 5,000 man did yam bread. And God want this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.